If you've been looking for the perfect backpack, look no further, you've just found it. Designed for everything you want to carry, this laptop backpack measures 22 inches by 12 inches by 7 inches. It can hold up to a 17-inch laptop with the dedicated laptop sleeve and protects against bumps and falls. It also has a USB charging port so you can easily and quickly charge any of your devices. Easily organize your things. 4 zipper pockets, 2 side mesh pockets, 1 laptop sleeve, 2 small inner pockets, and 2 pin loops provides a separate space for your laptop, textbooks, magazines, iPhone, iPad, pens, keys, wallet, books, clothes, bottles, and more.
95% of the world's population have low battery anxiety. Being outdoors and on the go means no power source. A dead battery can make a mobile office impossible. Forget catching up on emails or snapping a photo of that stellar view at the end of an epic hike. Introducing a green way to stay fully charged. Beam Backpack by Kingsons is solar powered. Use the most powerful, renewable source of energy to keep you going. Beam holds 9 watts of power with a peak output current of 1.7 amps. Beam uses Mia Soleil flexible solar cells, the world leader in SIGs. It's lightweight and flexible. Unlike portable battery packs, Beam's is waterproof. Charging just became all-weather, all-terrain. Beam Backpack keeps you powered and organized. Designed to optimize packing and storage, it has 5 major compartments. Business supplies, daily needs. Beam's turtle shell design makes things neat and easy. The pack's interior storage is matched by its exterior storage system, designed for user accessibility. With the Beam Backpack, thoughtful design meets the user experience, making one great backpack that is environmentally friendly. Beam makes charging simple. When your phone dies, take your USB cable from the hidden shoulder strap pocket. Connect the cord to the pack, and then to your phone. When the logo is lit up, that means the bag is working and charging. Secure the magnetic sternum strap, and you're off. Beam Backpack's solar panels offer sustainable power on the go. After 70 minutes of solar power charging, your phone will have 43% more juice. That is equivalent to 60 minutes of charging indoors with an outlet. Beam Backpack has detachable shoulder straps with locking buckles. These serve as an anti-theft security system. Loop the strap, click the buckle, and lock it up. Beam gives you the freedom to enjoy a cup of coffee and your outdoor office. Beam Backpack. Harness the sun. The future is bright.
After the Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack and the Bobby Compact comes the Bobby Biz, a multifunctional bag that lets you carry around your digital office safe and comfortable. As a digital nomad, office is wherever you go. Your whole professional life fits inside one backpack. So better make sure it's safe to carry around. On the go, it's a comfortable, solid and water-repellent backpack that features easily accessible pockets for Metro cards, phone and earphones. Of course, it's impossible to steal or cut open due to the hidden zippers and knife-proof inner layer. Got an important meeting coming up? Let's work on that first impression. The shoulder straps are easily hidden to turn your backpack into a professional briefcase. The Bobby Biz is designed to keep your fragile belongings safe. Vertically, it only opens up 45 degrees to prevent items from falling out. But for organising your belongings into the many protective pockets, it opens up all the way. Working from a coffee shop has its downsides. But the Bobby Biz keeps your stuff secure while you're picking up your mocha latte. A steel wire construction makes it impossible to cut away your bag. Although being on the move all day doesn't wear you out, it does drain your phone. The Bobby Biz features an integrated USB charging solution for your devices. When XD Design launched its last campaign, 15,000 backers helped us making the first Bobby backpack a reality. Our recent survey shows over 96% of them were happy with our delivery process, and we got a lot of positive feedback about our company, service, and product. We just want you to worry less and travel more.
If you love it when your phone dies, click skip this ad right now. But if you hate it when it dies and you could use a new backpack, well then welcome to LifePack. It's a solar-powered and anti-theft backpack. What does that mean? Well, it means there's a solar panel which stores the power from the sun in the built-in power bank. It's also got Bluetooth speakers, an integrated lock, and many more features. Check it out.
Hey guys, it's Jason. I'm a senior product developer at JanSport, and today I'm going to walk you through one of our best-selling products. We're going to talk about the Broadband. This is part of JanSport's digital collection. It's a great commuter pack, and it's going to store and protect all of your electronic gear. This bag has 30 liters of capacity and is constructed of a 400 denier nylon. Going around to the back here, we have a really nice plush, fully padded back panel with a nice mesh on it for breathability. These shoulder straps have dual density foam as well as a really nice spacer mesh on the underside. Sternum strap to stabilize your load, as well as this really industrial grade elasticized pocket here. You can fit items in here quickly while you're on the go. Nice seatbelt webbing haul loop on the top. Going around to the side of the pack, we have dual water bottle pockets. So the main feature of this pack is on the top here. This is a dedicated laptop compartment. It zips out for easy access, especially if you're at airport security. This is fully padded, 360 degrees of protection. So this carries up to a 17-inch laptop. Right, getting into the main compartment here. This is your big dump zone for all your big items. But on the front, we have a zippered mesh compartment here. It's great for storage of all your cords and cables. Moving around to the front of the bag, this is your organizer panel. Really nice organizer, again with that elasticized organizer pockets. These will stretch out to accommodate various sizes of items you might put in here. Also another slot pocket for cables and a pen loop. In front of that, we have a quick access Napoleon pocket here. Right above that pocket, we have our dedicated tablet pocket, which is easily accessible from the front of your bag. We have another compartment up here at the top. Here you can access another organizer compartment with your elasticized bands, great for pen loops or cords or cables or USB sticks. This is also a great spot to put your headphones because this is a fully padded compartment on the top here. And last, a quick stash compartment here that is fully soft lined, so great for sunglasses. So that's the Broadband, and as always, guaranteed for life.